We've been talking about this moment, joking about this moment so long. But I want you to know that this is a very special moment for me, as I know it is for you. You're the most wonderful, most amazing, most beautiful woman I've ever known. I know you think I took my time, but I want you to know that right now it feels so right. I feel incredibly lucky to have met you. And this past year has been a magical experience. We've shared so much, we've seen so much, we've experienced so much, we've been through ups and downs, but I wouldn't change any of it for the world. I want to spend the rest of my life doing the same. I want to spend it with you. Will you marry me?
Yes.